Hey guys, welcome to Empty Paradise. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to remove the little trim piece on the side of the roof. Alright, so the trim piece we're going to be removing is this little trim piece right here. It's actually very simple, very easy, but in theory, you could mess it up, especially like there's a little tab on this back side. So let's go ahead and get started. Alright, so first off, you're going to need some like little pry tools. There's actually going to be a link in the description down below where you can pick up a bunch of different size pry tools. It's like a little kit. It's super cheap. But you definitely need to pick up some pry tools. It's not going to hurt the car at all, but they are very, very useful in doing jobs like this. But like I said, there's going to be a link in the description down below, so definitely go pick some of those up. But for the Supra, you want to remove this trim from the front side because there's like a little tab in the back. So what we're going to do is we're going to get under the front edge of this, and we're just going to lift it straight up. There's going to be 5 tabs, so once you pop it up, there's the first tab, and then you're just going to work it all the way down and pull it straight up as you go. It's 2, 4, and there we go. All right, so this one actually just popped right off. There is a little tab, however, that will go right in here. This one actually was not secured all the way. All right, so the little tab is located here on the back side. I don't know if you can really see it very well. There's like a little piece on the top and bottom. That'll actually just pop right into that little hole. It is connected to this back rubber trim piece, so definitely be careful with that. You can actually, from the inside, use like a little tiny pick tool or just something, a little pry tool, and be able to push off the top and bottom of that. It's super simple, so don't overcomplicate it. But yeah, that's all it is. There's 5 tabs that clipped into these little sections, and it's just that easy. But if you guys found this video useful, definitely go down and hit the like button down below. I do like feedback, so also let me know in the comments below if it was helpful to you or if you have any other advice. But also don't forget, down in the description down below, there's going to be links to pick up some pry tools. So if you don't have those are tools that will be very, very useful for pretty much almost every job. And if you're going to be doing other stuff with a Supra, that'll definitely help. But if you guys like this video, hit the like button, subscribe, and as always, thank you for watching.